How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a Volkswagen Taos. We're going to be taking the rear and the front door panel off. All you should need is a T30 screwdriver, plastic pry bar, a size 10 wrench, and a pick. First we'll go ahead and remove our covers. We're going to have one underneath the grab handle. There's a little cutout. Just kind of stick your pick in there and pull down until you can get your fingers in there. We'll pop that out. And then we're going to have another cover over here off to the side. Go ahead and grab our plastic pry bar. Just kind of start at the top. There's like 3 clips holding it in place. Oh, there's 2 clips, I'm sorry. So you got one down here and one at the top. And then we're going to have a little plastic screw down towards the bottom. Just grab your size 10 wrench. You don't actually take the screw out. You actually just kind of turn it a little bit. Right, there's like a little opening. You'll see when you're doing it, you just kind of turn the screw until the door panel actually come out on the other side of that screw. And then we're going to have a T30 underneath the grab handle. Go ahead and get that out. Alright, now that our screw is out and we turned our screw on the bottom, now we'll grab our plastic pry bar again. Kind of start towards the bottom. Work your way around. And then once you have all the clips popped and it's free, just kind of wiggle up. And that's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. Alright, now we're on the front. Pretty much the same process. We'll go ahead and take our cover underneath our grab handle. Pry it till you get your fingers in it. Just kind of pop it out. We'll go ahead and take that T30 screw out. Grab your size 10 wrench again. Turn your screw till it clears. Grab our plastic pry bar. Now this one has the same style of clips that go around, but there is kind of a funky one over here in this top left corner. I'll grab the camera and show you guys that after we pop it. Alright, so you notice how this is all popped off and it's still kind of tight up here. This one actually doesn't pop out. You actually kind of wiggle it up at the same time. So I'll kind of give you guys an example of this. So I start on this side and I kind of just wiggle up over here and it pops out like so. But I'll grab the camera and kind of show you guys that. Got the door panel kind of hanging right here. Just want to show you guys this weird little clip. So when you saw me wiggling the door up, that's the clip I was talking about. The rest of the ones are this white style right here. That just kind of clip into these holes. Pretty simple, pretty easy. But this one up here is kind of a goofy one. So same thing when you put the door panel back on. I find it easier to wiggle it on the front up here and then wiggle it back down into this clip. This is the male end over here. If the camera will kind of zoom in. But as for the rest of the door panel, pretty simple, common stuff. You have your little push style clips for the sensors, the wiring, everything like that. And then for the door handle itself, same thing, kind of clips in here, pops out the back right here. Pretty simple. But yeah, that is how you take off the rear and front door panel on a Volkswagen Taos. Thanks for watching.